In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Current Online 2025. First, open a trusted browser and visit the official Current website. Type the address directly into the address bar rather than clicking ads, and look for the secure lock icon to confirm you're on the legitimate site. This keeps your information safe and ensures you're viewing the most up-to-date card details, rates, and disclosures. Once you're on the site, log into your existing Current account. If you don't have one yet, create an account by following the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked for basic personal details and to verify your identity. Have your information ready so you can complete this quickly, and be sure everything you enter matches your official records to avoid delays. After you're signed in, navigate to the credit card section. This is usually found under Products, Cards, or a similar menu. Take a moment to review the card's features, eligibility criteria, and any advertised introductory offers. Understanding the benefits and cost ahead of time will help you decide if the card fits your needs. When you're ready, start the application. Fill out every field carefully and truthfully, including your address, employment or income information, and any other requested details. The issuer uses this to assess eligibility and set your credit limit. If you see checkboxes for terms, consents, or a credit inquiry, read them. Accuracy matters here. Even small mismatches can trigger manual review. Before you submit, review everything one more time. Confirm your details, scan the terms and disclosures, and note key items like the annual percentage rate, potential fees, and any reward structure or introductory timelines. If an authorization box appears, make sure you understand what you're agreeing to, then submit the application. Next, wait for approval. Some decisions are instant, others take longer if additional verification is needed. Keep an eye on your account and email for status updates or requests for more information. Avoid submitting multiple applications with different issuers at the same time, as that can impact your credit profile and slow things down. When you're approved and your card arrives, activate it using the method provided in your online account or the official instructions that come with the card. Follow the prompts to confirm receipt and set any required security preferences. Once activated, consider adding the card to your mobile wallet and setting up alerts and autopay inside your Current account to help you stay on top of due dates and keep your account in good standing. And that's it. Your online application with Current from start to finish.